Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about a man has a fight with the neighbor. The next day, he started feeling that police are following him and his brain is being controlled by radio waves by the neighbor. This is suggestive of, remember, here the patient feels that police are following him. So this is actually a delusion of persecution. Then he thinks that his brain is controlled by a radio waves by his neighbor. So this control of radio waves by his neighbor is actually an alien phenomenon, which is thought insertion or thought withdrawal and thought broadcast. Okay, alienation phenomenon. So in the options, so there is delusion of persecution and alienation phenomenon is seen in this patient. So delusion of persecution is seen in the patient. Thank you and thank you for watching.